So we are going to look at buttons and ports on a computer. You take a look at the front and back of your computer case and count the number of buttons, ports and slots you see. Now look at your monitor and count any you find there. You probably count at least 10 and maybe a lot more. Each computer is different, so the buttons, ports and sockets will vary from computer to computer. However, there are certain ones you can expect to find on most desktop computers. Learning how these buttons are used will help whenever you need to connect something to your computer, like a new printer, keyboard or a mouse. So the back of a computer case has connection ports that are made to fit specific devices. The placement will vary from computer to computer, and many companies have their own special connectors for specific devices. Some of the ports may be color-coded to help you determine which port is used with a particular device. So you can click this button, you click the buttons in the interactive. What happens, you click on the button based on the color, and then you can connect. These are some of the buttons I'm talking about, the behind of the system case. And then we have the FireWire. FireWire, these are many other types of ports such as FireWire, Thunderbolt and HDMI. If your computer has ports you don't recognize, you should consult your manual for more information. Every device is given accompanied by a manual, so you should look at the manual and see which port goes to where. A high definition multimedia interface or HDMI port is one such variety used in conjunction with HDMI cables. First, designed to learn to, and ports are all digital interface used to receive and transmit both video signal and audio signals from an array of source devices through to a number of display motions. These are HDMI. This is an HDMI cable, and these are the modern ports for HDMI. When you want to connect your projector, you look for the HDMI port, and then you can put that cable in. We have Thunderbolt. A Thunderbolt is more or less like a USB, but they're not the same. So you have to specifically look at your device and what you're given. This is a USB-C and this is a Thunderbolt. They are almost the same but not the same. So Thunderbolt 3 port looks exactly the same as USB-C ports, and indeed the connection is physically the same from plug-in perspective. Indeed, Thunderbolt 3 is a perspective of a USB-C. You can plug a USB-C only device into the Thunderbolt 3 port on a computer, just like you see this example. Yeah. And then we have what we call peripherals you can use with your computer. You can use a keyboard, you can use a mouse, you can use any other peripherals with your computer. We have a printer. It is used to print documents, photos, and anything else that appears on your screen. There are many types of printers, including the inkjet, laserjet, photo printers. There are even all-in-one printer like this one. It can scan, it can print, it can do very many other things. Then we have mobile phones, like we have already talked about them, tablet computers, USB cables, among others. We have a scanner. It allows you to copy physical images or documents and save it to your computer as a digital computer readable image. Many scanners are included as part of an all-in-one printer, although you can also buy a separate flatbed or handheld scanner. We have speakers. These are different types of speakers. I love this so much. And speakers are output devices, which means They send information from the computer to the user. In this case, they allow you to hear sound and music. Depending on the model, they may connect to the audio port of the USB port. Some monitors also have built-in speakers. You have a microphone. These are different types of microphones, and it is a type of input device or a device that receives information from a user. You can connect a microphone to record sound or talk with someone else over the internet. Many laptop computers come with built-in microphones. We have web cameras, like the one on the computer, this one. These are all cameras, web cameras, and it is a type of input device that can record videos and take pictures. It also transmits video over the internet in real time, like during video conferencing. Have game controllers, and it is used to control games. There are many other types of controllers you can use, including joystick, although you can also use your mouse and keyboard to control most games. Digital cameras, they let you capture pictures and videos in a digital format. By connecting the camera to your computer's USB port, you can transfer the image into the computer later. Then we have what we call, we have input. In this video, I've talked about the input, the output, and some storage devices. So if you can identify some of them, you will have learned. Thank you.